In a quiet coastal town surrounded by the endless ocean, there stood an old lighthouse that had been out of use for decades. It was rumored to be magical, with tales of it saving ships during the darkest storms. For years, it had been cared for by an elderly man named Mr. Elias, who had no family but poured his heart into maintaining the lighthouse even though it was no longer functional. Every Christmas Eve, Mr. Elias would light a single lantern inside the lighthouse, calling it the beacon of hope. When asked why he did it, he'd simply smile and say, "Hope shines brightest in the darkest times." One particularly harsh Christmas season, a terrible storm swept through the town. Waves crashed against the cliffs, and people feared for their loved ones who were still out at sea. Despite his frailty, Mr. Elias braved the storm to reach the lighthouse. He climbed the spiral staircase with the lantern in hand and placed it in the old lens of the lighthouse. To everyone's astonishment, the light didn't just shine, it blazed brightly, cutting through the storm like a guiding star. The townsfolk gathered to watch in awe as the light led several fishing boats safely back to shore. Among them was a ship carrying a young boy named Danny, who had been lost at sea with his father. When Danny saw the light, he clutched his father's hand and whispered, "That's the star I wished for." After the storm passed, the people rushed to the lighthouse to thank Mr. Elias. They found him sitting peacefully, his face lit with a serene smile, as if the light had filled him with joy. The lantern, however, was no longer glowing. From that Christmas onward, the lighthouse became a symbol of hope for the town. Every year, someone new would take the role of the lightkeeper, lighting the lantern in honor of Mr. Elias. The people of the town learned that the true magic of the lighthouse wasn't in its walls or its light, but in the hope it inspired, and the reminder that even a single act of kindness could shine through the darkest storms. ***, moral of the story, ***. Hope and kindness, like the light of a lantern, can guide others through the most challenging times. Sometimes, the smallest acts of courage can illuminate the way for many.